I'm going to walk you through how to use this title replace. So first, I need to locate the items that I'm going to adjust. So I'm just going to do interchange part number contains, because this is such a common one that needs adjusting. Apply. And this is how I kind of located some that need to be changed. So 2013 Chevy or Chrysler 200s. To locate this, I want to be exact. So what I did is I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many spaces eLINK put in there. And again, this is just to locate something that I can tell needed to be changed. So then I'm going to do title. Starts with or contains 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2013. Hit apply. It's going to pop all those up. Select all, title replace, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2013. I'm going to replace it with Chrysler 200. Oh, sorry, 2013 Chrysler. And then make sure at the end that you make sure to put that space in. Otherwise, it's going to butt up next to whatever the next keywords are. Update. Yes, proceed. And now this is going to show up because you're performing this search again. So what you'll want to do is then 2013 Chrysler 200 space, if you wish. Hit apply, 47 come up. And then you can go ahead and send those through.